In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few helpful tips to keep your files organized and easy to find. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. You'll land on the Drive homepage where you can see your files and folders. If you have a lot of content, it can help to glance at the Recent section or use the search bar to quickly locate the item you want to rename. Once you've found it, click the file once to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. This selection step is important because it tells Drive which item you want to work with. With the file selected, look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Actions menu. Depending on your view, you may see these dots appear next to the file name or along the top toolbar after you select the file. Click those three dots to open the menu of actions you can take on that file. From the menu, choose Rename. This opens a small dialog box where you can edit the file's current name. If you're working with an uploaded file like a PDF or image, you'll usually see the extension at the end of the name. It's a good idea to leave the extension as is since it helps your device recognize the file type later. For Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, you won't see a traditional extension, which is normal. Type the new name for your file. Make it descriptive so you can find it easily later. Adding dates, versions, or brief descriptors can make a big difference, like Project Plan V2 APR 2026. Avoid overly long names and keep your naming consistent across similar files. Also note that if the item is a shortcut, you're renaming the shortcut, not the original file. When you're happy with the new name, click OK to save. The change is immediate, and you'll see the updated name in your drive. This doesn't change the content of the file or its sharing settings, and any existing links to the file will continue to work. If you're collaborating, the new name will help your teammates recognize the file more quickly. The same approach works for folders as well, following these exact clicks. That's it, simple and reliable. Open Drive, select the file, use the three dots, choose Rename, type the new name, and click OK. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.